Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and today it's seasoned potatoes, y'all. Man, this tastes so good. I cook it for breakfast, but you can have it as a snack for lunch, and even if you want something special on the Fridays, you can cook it with your fried chicken. And I serve this up with some pepper jelly sauce, and if you're not feeling that sauce, you can serve it up with ranch, with your Russian sauce, with your mayo, with your ketchup, whatever you like. But this is down diggly diggly, tastes good. And I'm gonna go in right now for a taste. I can't wait to taste this. Oh yeah, that's heaven right there. It's slap way. Yeah. Oh my God. Stay tuned to see how we do this.
Man, we're going in front of them. We're going in front of them.
Alright, so get your potatoes, wash them. Wash them really clean because we do not peel off the skin. Just scrub, man. Yeah, wash it really clean. How much time must I say wash it really clean? We're just gonna slice this up just like this. You can slice them into wedges if you like, but I love to slice them like this because I want to feel special. Alright, so after we're done slicing them up, we're gonna boil them. So in a pot with boiling water, we add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix that around, add in our potatoes, let it boil for only 3 to 4 minutes. Y'all, we do not want mushy potatoes, no, we just want to cook it a little bit. Then we're gonna strain it. Then we're gonna pour some cold ice water over it just to cool it down and stop it from cooking. Then we're gonna season with some cayenne pepper, chicken season, and salt. You know what I mean? You can make your own blended season. I love to add chicken seasoning because this let it taste like chicken. It tastes like chicken. Tastes like chicken. And then you just add salt and you just mix it around. And it's easy like that. 1, 2, 3. And let's go to our breading station. We have our season, our flour, and we're ready to go. We're gonna season on one side, and then we're just gonna rub that in. Yes, take your time, rub it in, baby. Show it some love. Then we flip it over and we do the same thing again. Sprinkle it out the seasoning, and you can just rub it into the board like that. You don't even have to use a finger. Yeah, let's get it done. And then once we're seasoned everything, we're just gonna lightly flour, tap a little flour over it, shake it off, take off the excess flour, and then we're just gonna put it down, flour everything, and then this is a very important step. We're gonna cling wrap and we're gonna place it in the freezer. We need to freeze this for at least 2 hours or overnight if you want to make this ahead. Yes, you have to make this ahead because freezing gives this the perfect texture. It makes it so much more delicious. In a pot with some vegetable oil, make sure it's hot. We're gonna start frying this up. Yes, make sure your pot hot. Mine wanted to be a little bit more hot. And we're just gonna fry this lightly for around 2 minutes until it's golden brown. This was boiled already, so you do not need to kill the potatoes again. You just want to just brown it up, you know what I mean? Just brown it up. And you flip. As I said, you flip, flip, let it flip. And then you let it fry on that side again, and then you're done. You're going to take it out of the pot now. It's that easy to make some delicious seasoned potatoes. And we're going to fry the other batch that we have, you know what I mean? But this is what I do. I put it in my metal strainer to let the oil just drain off. If you don't, you can put on some paper towel. And this is the finished product. Anybody can do this. It's so easy to get some delicious seasoned potatoes, make it ahead, and just throw it in the freezer. And then when you're ready, just take them out and fry them, and bam, bam, bam. You have something quick and easy. And I'm gonna stop talking and start eating.
We're going there for now. We're going there for another one. We're going there for another one. Some of the pepper. Man, it's gonna get messy. Oh God. What is it? Papa? Papa? That's my daughter.